This next question is about white and red paint. White and red paint are mixed in a ratio of 5:3 to form pink paint. So my white will have 5 units, my red will have 3 units. Total give me 5 plus 3, give me 8 units, and that will be my pink paint. Let's write this down in a ratio form. So what we see is white is to red is 5:3. And if I want to compare it to my pink paint, pink will just be white plus red. So 5 plus 3 will give me 8 units for pink. Now they ask us to find the volume of the white paint needed when I'm given 4 liters of pink paint. Let's recall a method that we used in primary school. We know that pink paint is 8 units and white paint is 5 units. So if 8 units is equal to 4 liters, I'm going to find what is 5 units for my white paint. Are you able to continue now? To help you, let's find the intermediate step. Maybe I will find what is 1 unit first. And how I get 1 unit is 4 liters divided by 8. To find 1 unit, the answer would be 0.5 liters. And now from 1 unit to 5 units, we now know we have to multiply by 5. 0.5 multiplied by 5 is 2.5 liters. So the amount of white paint needed is simply 2.5 liters. You're allowed to use this method from primary school if and only if you have shown actual workings. Let's try this last question, which shows capacities of cup P and Q in this ratio 2:3. For this word capacity, you just have to know that it's the same as volume. So first ratio 2:3, I shall write it down first. Next sentence, if cup Q can hold 120 centimeter cube of water more than cup P, then we will find what is the capacity of Q. So one question is, how many units is 120 centimeter cube? If we see from this ratio, P is to Q is 2:3. So how much does Q have more than P? 3 units minus 2 units will give me 1 unit. And this 1 unit is 120 centimeter cube because Q has 1 unit more than P. So I now know what is 1 unit. Now I just need to find Q. And Q will be 3 units. So how I do the conversion? Simply just multiply by the same number of both sides. Multiply by 3. 120 times 3 will give me the answer 360 centimeter cube. And this is your answer, and this is how simple a ratio question can be.